Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix a Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game not working, not opening, not starting, crashing or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on Xbox console, whether you are playing this game on Xbox X series or S series. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video. First fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following all the 4 steps you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. And also make sure that your game is up to date. Now step 2 is to clear Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game and highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature on your Xbox console, then you can skip this step. And finally step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart to restart your console. And after following all these 4 steps, now you can go ahead, launch Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove, then re-add your account and after adding your account, launch the Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to reinstall Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy. So if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game from your Xbox console and then just restart your Xbox console and then fresh reinstall the game and then launch it and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game not working, not opening, not starting, crashing or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.